Air Dragon is a portable air compressor that's supposedly the fast and easy way to inflate your tires. But does it really work? That's what I'm going to find out in this review of Air Dragon. Air Dragon is a portable air compressor. Here's how it's set up. You have a button right here, a safety latch there. It kind of looks like a handheld drill. This is not a battery, this is actually a storage compartment for the attachments and the power cable. It only plugs into a car with 12-volt power. Set your pressure here, push the button, and it's supposed to run until it hits the design. Entry-level test for the Air Dragon.
All right, 8 PSI.
And I also found that it kept running as well.